Hello all, welcome to INYA. In today's video we're going to see a set of pure Tussar silk sarees. All these are hand block printed, hand batik and screen printed. They are priced in the range of 4,950. For wash care and maintenance, kindly dry clean them each time. Do not wash in water. Let's get started. This is saree number 1 for this video. A nice yellow green saree with brown combination. So nice light pastel shade. Yellow mixed green with pastel brown borders on either sides. It's a nice hand batik saree. You can see that the hand batik print for the lower border will be throughout the saree. For the upper, the print will be hip and above. So that's the look. So it will start narrow, and as it goes towards the chest and shoulder, the print will be broader. That's how it looks. And the print will stop at 3.5 meters for the top border. It stops here. For the inner pleat and tuck-in portion, this batik print will not be there. For the lower side, the print will be there. That's the pallu with tissue stripes in between. This comes with a plain brown color blouse. That's the blouse piece. It's a nice mild shade of brown. This saree is priced at 4,950. So this next saree, we had restocked this saree because some of you had asked us to restock this. It's a nice natural tussar color with horizontal lines throughout the saree. The lines are in black, it's hand brushed lines, and it's a magenta combination border. Tissue border on either sides for 4 inches dyed in magenta. That's the pallu, the magenta pallu with tissue stripes. We've slightly changed the blouse piece this time. Magenta with stripes. It's a weaving stripe. It's a Saree stripe throughout. So that's the blouse piece. This saree is priced at 4,950. Next is a nice vibrant maroonish red with blue combination. It's a nice floral wine printed saree. Maroonish red for the base, blue color dyed borders on top of the tissue saree. So there's a 1 inch of floral wine print given for the top border, and for the bottom skirting border you can see it's a wide floral skirting border, and the colors used are beige, light yellowish orange and blue for the prints. That's the look of the lower skirting border. For the top skirting, like in any hand printed saree, the print and the dye will stop at 3.5 meters. The portion that was for tuck-in and pleat inside, that will not have the dye and the print. That's the pallu with prints coming in between the tissue saree stripes. This comes with a beautiful printed blue color blouse. Small floral prints given for the blouse. These are hand block prints. This saree is priced at 4,950. So this is a nice lavender with purple saree that we had given in a couple of videos back, and a few of you had asked us to restock, so we've restocked it. It's a nice lavender shade for the body and a slightly darker violet for the borders. It has tissue saree borders and then dyed on top by violet color. Small floral print, and the print has a strawberry and a feroz color. It's a floral print. Small nice prints throughout the body. That's the close view. That's the pallu, a simple pallu with tissue stripes in between. This comes with a plain violet color blouse. This saree is priced at 4,950. Next is a very rare combination saree. This is a brown with violet combination. It's brown base for the body, and the tissue saree on either sides are dyed in violet color. Small, very tiny floral prints throughout the body, in light and dark, light lavender and violet shade. That's the close view of the print for the body. This comes with a very different pallu and blouse. That's the pallu, a nice shibori pallu in the same violet color that is used for the border. And this comes with a nice shibori blouse. That's the blouse piece. This saree is priced at 4,950. So next is again a very unusual combination. It's not yellow, but it's a light, some shade of honey, that kind of a color, with the borders running in deep violet, like more like a jamun shade for the border. So that's the look of the entire body with nice floral screen prints throughout. Very subtle prints. So that's the look of the entire body. That's the pallu. It's a jamun colored pallu, a simple pallu with tissue stripes in between. And it comes with a plain jamun colored blouse. That's the blouse piece. This saree is priced at 4,950. So next is a nice black with pink color saree. This is a design that we've kept repeating and restocking for a long time now. It's a nice plain black saree with tissue borders dyed in pink and a nice floral skirting border that runs throughout the body. That's the pallu with tissue stripes in between. And it comes with a plain pink color blouse. This saree is priced at 4,950. This is a nice triple color 3-panel saree with natural Tussar color for the first half of the panel, and it has horizontal lines hand brushed in light brown shade. It's a golden brown shade, and the borders are in dark blue color. The second half of the saree has 2 panels. The center panel has nice green and the lower panel has a light blue. Previously we had given different combinations in the saree. That one was a nice navy blue. This is a green with a light blue combination. That's the look of the entire body. The borders are slightly darker blue. This panel blue is different from the border blue. That's the pallu. Tissue stripes in between. It comes with the border color blue blouse. The dark blue that is used for the border, that same blue is used for the blouse, and it has polka dots. This saree is priced at 4,950. This is nice vibrant saree. It's a multicolored hand-brushed saree. So the borders you can see is in the natural tissue shade. Borders are not dyed. It's a green base saree in which multiple colors of light dark greens, light yellow and a tint of light peach are hand brushed. You can see it's like a myriad of colors, first hand brushed. After the hand brushing is done, this block printing is done. The top skirting border is about 4 inches and the bottom is a tall border. The same print in a very tall border, raising and falling pattern. That's the look of the body. And for the top border, like in any hand block printed saree, the print will stop at 3.5 meters. That is for your hip and above, this print will be there. For the inside pleat and tuck-in portion, the border print will not be available. So that's the pallu with the small prints given between the tissue saree stripes. And this comes with a nice printed blouse. Small floral, it's more like a bud. The print is, it resembles that of a bud. So that's the blouse piece. This saree is priced at 4,950. This is a nice yellow, light yellow with grey combination. So this one has a nice printing pattern. It's a corner to corner printing, meaning it starts at one end, like starts here and then goes diagonally, comes to the center of the saree, and then the back portion will go to the other corner of the saree. It's a beautiful print. The print is nice floral bunches and the color used is light grey with magenta. That's the look of the body, and you can see there is a 1 inch of hand block print given as skirting border above the tissue borders, and for the upper border the hand block print and the die will stop at 3.5 meters. So this will be available for your outer portion, which is your hip and above portion. For the inner pleat and tuck-in portion, it will be the natural tissue saree with base color. That's the pallu with prints given in between the tissue saree stripes. It's a grey color pallu. Nice bluish grey, and it comes with a bluish grey blouse, and the 1 inch of block print is given along the border. This saree is priced at 4,950. If you'd like to make a purchase of any of the sarees shown in this video, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 98405 7110. Happy shopping and thank you.